Good morning. It's Friday. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. So my brother has a field trip today. We're going to New Orleans. We're going on a steamboat and different things. So check-in's at 5:30. So we're just getting ready and heading to the field trip.
I'm not sure how I'm gonna get them, but
I like this bitch.
we're gonna try that right now, actually.
I almost got it.
You always be doing this.
And then we had to tie your
So,
hair up.
we're gonna be doing this today.
So much easy.
No, you should be seeing you in your videos. Like,
So much easy levels.
I already watched my video.
huh?
I already watched my videos before I posted.
I couldn't do that because I would think it's cringe.
I posted.
This is me. I'm about to go on the field trip.
Got to go to New Orleans. What are you most excited for?
The steamboat.
The steamboat. Check-in's at 5:30. We're about ready. Say hey, Kai. She's a bit upset right now.
Although it's
5:25.
5:25 and we're about to go to the AR trip.
Well, where are we headed right now? To the school for the roll call thing at 5:30. We might be a little late for that. But we're headed to the school so they can check and make sure everybody's here. There's Mama. We're about to be on the roads. Woo! Now we're headed into the cafeteria where everybody's waiting for the bus to come.
And I hope it's not coming right now. I'll be just running just be the first one.
We're all just waiting.
I get candy for breakfast. Yeah, I got candy. You want candy? You don't have one blushing like me? I got candy? I do have candy. I got muffins. And now muffins. It's called me. We got 10 unicorns. How many chips are in there? How many chips are in there?
I think like three or four.
I'm moving.
I'm gonna tell you who your teachers are. The next thing, I love my parents and I appreciate y'all going. I taught y'all too, so I guess technically you're my students also. I'm old and I'm anal retentive, and that means when I need my children not with me.
We packing up, getting ready to go.
It was something that was going on that day.
There's Jameson in line up there. And we're leaving. But we're 20 minutes past schedule at 6:20. We were meant to leave at 6.
Bus, though? Oh, both of the buses I said about. Shoot, Jameson gonna bust the rolling.
We made a stop, and we just found out that Lizzo is performing at Jazz Fest today. Maybe we'll see her. We're going over here to look at the vending machines. We stopping to get gas with my cousin Dana and Brooke. This is about to be so good. I'm so excited. We just got our gas and now I guess we're headed to the Where the bus gonna go kind of by the steamboat and stuff.
I think he was trying to make it to where I can come.
We're going across the bridge. So pretty.
Right over here too.
Look at this city. Oh my goodness. We from the countryside, so we don't see this often. And then they were making coffee beans over there. Can't really see it no more. Look at that monster truck. I'm not saying we're lost, but we don't know where we're going. And we are in French Quarters. We live in big now. What is French Quarters to be exact? Like
It's the all the everything Party Street and stuff.
oh, this is the part where they do like the Mardi Gras and stuff.
Yes. All
Oh,
up through here.
and in
So
the
beautiful.
this is where they were, where they did like some Vampire Diaries or the originals filming. They were in the French Quarters. Yeah. Very iconic. I think this is where they fought the vampires versus the vampires and stuff. We made it. There's the boat, and there's the French Quarter over there. We might go look around a little bit. We're here before the bus that my brother's on in the school. We waiting to get on this boat. And we're waiting for the buses to pull up. Jameson. So, took some pictures. And now the kids are here. And we're just waiting to get on the boat. So we're in the line and about to get on the boat.
Turn up time.
Kaya's gonna hate for me to put this in here, but we just got a call from her teacher. She got in trouble at school.
And she's gonna get in trouble.
They get their pictures. We on the boat. Jameson, you ready? You excited?
Talk to the people.
You excited? We about to get ready for takeoff. Jackson, you excited? Carter, are you excited? What are you most excited for? The boat? And we're off.
Military supply vessel. Across the river, that's a repair yard on the west bank.
We trying to get something to eat.
Yes, I'm starving.
I'm hungry too. The line's a little long. They're moving a little slow, but that's okay. Enjoying the fun. We just finished eating.
Since taking our seats.
Get John to sing a Great Old Berlin number. This is a number by one of the great American songwriters, Irving Berlin. This is one entitled Alexander's Ragtime.
This is a replica of the ship. We're just in here trying to get some fresh air. It's out to get out of that sun. We're at the back of the boat. Jameson! There's a big old cruise ship. That's what we're gonna be doing in the next few years.
Probably next year. It just depends. I can't wait no whole 2-3 years.
Jameson!
Yeah, that would be so nice. It would smell.
We back docking. We docking. That's where we came from.
Oh, well, we need to get to where we need to leave.
We trying to get off. It's packed. It's packed. We about to head to the trolley. Jameson, where are we going?
Okay. I don't know.
Okay. I'm helping watch all these kids. So I gotta keep out on Jameson. And then my cousin Jace, he's back there. I'm hoping he's back there. Oh Lord. Look at all this. We're trying to get on the trolley. We're on the trolley. Jameson's upset. We're getting off the trolley.
Right now, y'all. Right there. Go to the end of the midway.
I'm a bit scared right now. Trying to cross the street with all these kids. Come on, walk. We just trying to get to where we're getting to. And all these kids want to run and stop and run and stop, run and stop. Whew. Yo, come on.
There's an airplane. You're not fun. There's an airplane. You're not fun.
Y'all three, stop.
Jameson. Y'all cannot be partners. Y'all never gonna be partners. Y'all keep fighting.
We made it to the Children's Museum. Jameson, we're at the Children's Museum. And we saw Shrek over there.
Oh, I told you so.
We're in the restaurant waiting on our food we just ordered, but look at here. Look at them turtles. I just got my food.
Okay, we're just gonna do that check-in.
So we're at the museum, but everything ran over time, so we just kind of ate. Now we're just about to check them out. Dana's down there with the kids, letting them go in and out because only 5 kids can go in at a time to the gift shop, and they can all get themselves a little something. So we're about to check him out and leave. And we're leaving. Jameson. Jameson, look. Jameson. Jameson. Did you have fun today? What was your favorite part? What did you say? I don't even know. All these people are parking at houses for Jazz Fest. This would be a brilliant way to make money. You could charge like $60 or $70 just to park because Jazz Fest is just behind those houses, kind of right there.
Parking right there was $30.
But we headed home. We ready to go home. We are back at home. And it seems we cannot find my little sister. Wonder where she is. We're going on a hunt for Kaya. And it turns out, it looks like that, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bike kind of right there. Looks like Jameson's bike, so I don't know why she's riding his bike. That's weird. we figured out, I think she went with our grandfather because his truck's not there. So I think she went with our grandfather to go eat. We'll be waiting for her arrival.
I was playing my VR.
Oh, y'all didn't go eat?
Mom,
Yeah, we went to.
Mom,
And then I carried her.
I played my VR. Is that okay?
I reckon so. He done it.
Right. It's over with now.
Kai was with Peppa.
What?
So,
Yo, look at his legs. You got them long socks on.
Yeah, they didn't.
Huh?
But,
That's where my socks go.
mm-hmm.
My work
They're
boots.
little.
They make you where your hair don't grow anymore.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
That's scary.
It'll wear, just wears out. Wears.
Yours scary because they ain't the same color.
So funny.
Well,
You were still asleep this morning, wasn't
I wish I went to sleep when I came back home.
Oh, you.
I was so tired.
Well, we've had the day today. It's been a long day and we're about to go to sleep. Here's Kaya. We all had a fun day today. Jameson's on the game. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.